In this video, I'm going to show you how to say I wanted to in Irish. You would use the phrase ba bhíonn liom to say that. Ba bhíonn liom. I wanted to. A few months ago I made a video on is mian liom. That means I want to, present tense. I leave a link in the description and in the first pinned comment if you would like to check that out after this video. In terms of saying is mian liom or ba bhíonn liom, we use the preposition le in both instances. So this helps us to specify who it is we are referring to. So for example, ba bhíonn liom means I wanted to, ba bhíonn leat, you wanted to, and if you go down to the rest of them there you'll see leis, lehi, ling, live and leo. So let's look at some sample sentences now where you can use this very useful phrase in conversation. Ba bhíonn liom fanacht. I wanted to stay. Ba bhíonn liom fanacht. Ba bhíonn leis taistil go héireann. He wanted to travel to Ireland. Ba bhíonn leis taistil go héireann. I wanted to understand what it was they were saying. Ba bhíonn liom a thuiscint cad é a bhí siad ag rá. Ba bhíonn liom a thuiscint cad é a bhí siad ag rá. And if you wanted to say they wanted to be ready, you could say this. Ba bhíonn leo a bheith réig. Ba bhíonn leo a bheith réig. So this is a very useful and flexible phrase, and it can really increase your confidence in terms of spoken and understanding the Irish language. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments section some of your phrases that you could use using ba bhíonn liom, I wanted to. Thanks for watching. Slán the Fóill.